Hey guys, we're here today with Philippe from Slice and Thomas from the LV 1871 in the beautiful city of London in a secret meeting room at the Insurtech Insights. And I grabbed both to get all your secret sources of how to grow an insurance business. So a lot are talking about the Generation Y and the Gen Zs coming onto stage and showing a totally different consumer behavior. With you two having deep insights into the finance and insurance market, what is your take on it?
And now we have, Gen Y, Gen Z, millennials that will switch. They'll go from a social platform to another. They'll go to the latest thing. There is no brand loyalty. So how do we, as an insurance industry, really change our value proposition to create an affinity, to create a brand? You have to stay relevant, and that's the secret with that generation.
And I think you need to get your brand Instagram ready, if you want to say so. And at the very end then see, is it more the focus on the awareness and shifting into an extended upfront awareness funnel, and how much do you lose on the brand loyalty side?
What could a P&C insurer learn from a life insurer, and what could a life insurer learn from a P&C insurance to grow the business?
Well, I think personally, insurance industry in general is lacking what do we make out of the data we have got. And I think P&C business is a little bit more fast moving, so it will be interesting to see whether technologies like, for example, blockchain is something which will move the insurance industry and we can get more out of the data we collect.
Yeah, I agree. I think the way as an industry collectively we price and define products based on old data, historical data. And I think the big shift now is as we look at new risks and new products, like the products that we're releasing at Slice through our partners, there isn't 100 years of data on these types of risks.
So my question is, are insurance products bought or sold?
We are seeing, I think, the beginning of a change where if we offer the right services, so to a small business as an example, if we make the process easy and transparent and the customer sees value, and one of our examples is with our cyber product for small business. So you're not just buying an insurance policy that you're going to put away. We offer a health check dashboard as an example that has value on a day-to-day or month-to-month for the small business.
And I think their consumer needs are pretty much the same no matter what line of business you're talking about. I mean, that's something we see in life insurance as well. We just recently launched a totally flexible product, unit-linked pension fund product, where you can shift from month to month your payments, take money off in a cash-to-go option. And that's the same you just described for a cyber product, or where we are looking at it from a car insurance product. Yeah.
Do you maybe have some tools and tactics that help you in your daily business to grow your B2C and B2B business?
Yeah, for us, it's really being out in the marketplace, that we have an ability to meet in forums such as here and meet with the innovators of our potential carrier partners and really share a common thread.
I think the traditional insurance companies really need to see how their business model fits and how they can evolve it. And then the question about tools becomes an interesting one because it's on the one hand the big data topic we talked about earlier, and on the other hand for us, especially on a long-term perspective, it's to bring our messages and our content towards our B2B partners as well as to our customers on the B2C side. And I think that's for us the big challenge we are facing as a traditional insurance company.
Thank you.